So welcome all of you. It's such an honor. I feel so blessed to be here. So we're going to be smudging today. When we smudge, we're cleansing, first of all, the environment, the whole room, and everybody in this room. And this beautiful place, that's how we start. And that creates a layer of protection and also reconciliation. That's what I call it. That's what this is about. Walking together.
Prior to today, this Science Center has had the smallest footprint of all the major science centers in Canada, and yet more annual guests for our size than any other. This has been a long journey, a culmination of 7 years of fundraising and planning and designing and building, an absolute ton of hard work by a lot of people.
And now the fun really begins. Now we want to give you a chance to see all the new spaces, to explore your new Science Center. Every day we are honored to have the privilege of welcoming families, children in school, into the facility. And today it only seems fitting that the best way to open these new spaces was to do so with the help of a classroom of students. And on my signal, I will ask everyone to please follow these grade 2 and 3 students in their beautiful purple lab coats into your new Science Center.
Interesting.
Trying to bring it down.
I like it. That's good. I said to people.
It's pretty cool, the different things you can see just from looking at somebody's blood.
Okay, so take a look. This is a healthy bone. Kind of does, doesn't it?